I got a split personality. Do I love me more than I love you? And if you're gone, will I see clarity? Or will I just feel like a goddamn fool? This could go any way, this could end any day. Should I listen to my heart or my friends, eh? Or this could be happy days, our love won't evaporate. This could be just a phase we're going through. Two lives, living two lives.